Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, we'll be talking about Schneider-Electric EcoStruxure Control Expert License version. Let me show you what the problem is here. So if I go and launch my EcoStruxure Control Expert, just the engineering tool, it'll tell me that failed to find a valid license. This is a common error that comes up if you don't have a proper license. So they'll say, do you want to start your license manager now? Just click yes. And you'll notice that I do have a license. I do have a green check mark, and you can see my trial license has expired and all the good stuff. So in theory, I should be able to start, but however, I can't really start. The reason behind this is that the license that I've uploaded here is version 14, but you can see that the EcoStruxure Control Expert is version 15 based on this here, right? So the different version of the license that you have will not work with cross license like that. That's why you have that issue. So there's no way to upgrade. You will have to buy a brand new version. I don't know, maybe somebody from Schneider-Electric can comment on it, because you already paid for version 14. Now you know to run your version 15 of your Control Expert, you have to buy another license on top of it. So anyway, I think that's a bad feature. So another way to verify a version, because you can't really run your Control Expert, would be if you go here and click on this guy here, and over here type program, add and remove program. And what you're looking for would be Control Expert. On this search here, type control, and you can see, so this is version 15, and you have a license that's version 14, so it's not gonna work. Before you do any moving of license using a web portal or online, make sure that your version of your Control Expert license matches whatever you have on your Control Expert that's been installed. Because what happens is that the version 14 DTM libraries doesn't really match with version 15 of the DTM libraries. Give it a try if you ever use a DTM libraries. But if you're using purely just programming platform, it should be fine. You can uninstall this and install version 14, which again is not available online. Let me show you what I mean by that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and search for Control Expert download. And if you go to the download section, if this is the correct one, there you go. So you can see, if you put your cursor over it, right at the bottom here, it tells you, if you look at the content here, it tells you Control Expert v15.0. So, you know, you can't even download version 14 point whatever that you have for your license. So the only way to get the version 14 or older version would be to call Schneider-Electric technical support, and they will help you, and they'll give you FTP links on where you can download the older version. Anyway, like I said, lesson learned from here is that your license version has to match your Control Expert engineering software license. Anyway, I hope this helps. Have a good day. Bye.